dangles on my ass. Call you back. Hi, officer. I think I'm lost and...
Pulled her over, walked up already covered in blood, collapsed right in front of him.
Is that her right there?
Yeah. Name's Mallory Jacobs. She didn't do it, though. I checked in and around her car, no gun, no casings, swabbed her hands for GSR. Unless she's the greatest actress in the world, the kid's telling the truth.
Okay, let's call in all shifts. They hit one of us. They hit us all.
Вечерва. Една од најгледаните ТВ серии во Америка и светот. Синоним за криминалистичка серија. Нова епизода истрага на местото на злосторството, Мајами. 22 часот и 15 минути.